Excuse me. Sinabi ko na nga ba ay mawawala naman ang bulpin na maganda. Oh my God. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Mawawala naman. Nanggigigil ako. Ay, nanggigigil talaga ako. Nawala na naman yung maganda kong bulpin. Hi! Thank you for watching. Hey, yes, Davey. Hello, yes, Davey. Hope you like your. Oh my God, I don't know. Wow, beautiful. Thank you so much for a good compliment. But if they're respecting me, sorry. Maybe you need to go to another channel and maybe they will entertain you. But me, no. Never. Hi, Happy. Hello. Thank you, 3 people. How are you? Thank you. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much. Hope you subscribe and like. Thank you so much and hope you get the gifts is available. Oh my God. Thank you for the 8 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Thank you 21. Thank you 21 of viewers. Hello. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Dati na yun na kulay. Parang nagano. Salamat. Yeah, di pa po. Kaso nagsisimba si Raatab ni Mamay, kaya di nakasumba. Kaya gusto mang punta niya mag-intra. Dere, mauli na siya sa ano. Ang flight niya 31, patay 1. In love. In love. In love. In love kay Mike. Opo. Ako na, mayon ako na prepare. Kanya-kanya na lang. Oo, kanya-kanya na lang. Opo. Magayon. Sige po. Sige po. Salamat din. Thank you so much for watching. Hi, Peter Gomes. May Tahas the Tor. Hello, hello. I'm Cuban. Hello, thank you. Jason Bolak. Thank you so much. Sir Chris Leach. Oh my God. Thank you for watching, Sir Chris. Thank you, Sir Chris. Thank you so much. Hi, Leonie. Thank you, Leonie. Thank you so much. Hello, host. Mega mega love. Shout out to you. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. Good day. From Ahmed. Hi, Sir Ahmed. Good health. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you too. Staring my head. Hi, Lucas. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Hello, host. Can I have a jacket, please? Why? You feel cold? Are you feel cold, Ahmed? Sir Ahmed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you so likes. Where are you from? I'm from the land of the Philippines. Thank you so much. Napaluwaya daw mga cellphone niyo kaya naka-live ako. I love the Philippines. Thank you so much. Ascar Bazorov. Hello, Ascar. Why your channel name is different? A different channel name. Oh my gulay. May nano, masuman. Ay. Hi, Deden. Busy ang people. Dinali ang tilapia.
Baka nang dito din. Nagkusap, maglokto sa ano.
Oh my God.
Kaya, mahulog ang ano.
Oh my God.
Doon mo na lang sa gilid ito. Nakasagsagal po tayo ng ano. Ano guys, sir? Nakasagsagal sa kamay uno. Kamay uno.
Many people over here. May gulay. Thank you. Come here, pretty hair. No comb. Show all your pretty long hair, mermaid, please. Are you okay? Okay. All right. You're so pretty. Thank you, Kristen Joy de la Cruz. Thank you. But I'm pretty. Thank you for good compliments. Have you WhatsApp? No WhatsApp. Sorry, because you're phone here. Because your phone here. Sorry, my face is not perfect. But who are you to judge me? Are you perfect? Hello. Danielle. Owen MacArthur. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like. I also heart to you. Thank you for the heart. I also heart to you. Where are you from, Kristen Joy? I also. Where are you from? Staring the Philippines. Okay. Salamat sa nag-subscribe. Where are you po? Saan ka po dito sa Pilipinas, Ma'am Christine Joy? Ibag is real. Cavite. Okay. Nice to meet you. And thank you for the likes, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please smile. My smile is not good because my teeth is not complete. No problem. No problem. Look your tongue, please. He's at home, Sandesh. Edelndo, hello. You have a beautiful smile. Thank you, Harold Smith. Where are you from? AK, please reply to my comment. I will send you 1,000. By the way, do you speak English? Set home. By the way, I speak English, but not too much. I'm not fluent in English, but I'm trying to speak in English to understand you guys. Something like that. Sit home Sandesh, where are you from? 1,000, you see, will send the $1,000 is a very rare because a lot of people said they will send me something like even $100, $200, but they didn't send me, so this is just a prank. So maybe you need to say that you will send as long as just you just need to be yourself, because I'm not a perfectionist. I understand people that can't afford. As long as you are in a good person, you don't need to be a rich one, but you need to be a good person is enough. Number, I will transfer the money now. If you will transfer the money, you can, where I have a PayPal. If you will send, sit but if you are willing to send, I have a Gcash. I also subscribe to you. Thank you so much for subscribe my channels. Christine Joy, thank you so much for subscribe my channel. Number transfer, staring my hand to you. Thank you, C Tom, for your willingness. But $1,000 is too much money. So that's why, oh my God, what? See, if you are real, um, you will see something like that. Good morning from Brazil. Hi, Isaiah Salva Luis. Hi, Isaiah Salva Luis. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you to those who are watching. 27 people in the house. Hi. Thank you so much. I want to send you some. I want to send you some money as a gift. Could you please give me your bank account number? No, just a PayPal. Send the PayPal. I have no bank accounts. Just PayPal. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. My PayPal is available if you want to send. Sit home. Thank you so much. Thank you sa those who hit the likes. Thank you. Ay, ano, kuya? Gab. Ay. Shy. Gano'n kayo nakalive ako. Hi, Rajman. Hello. Thank you, Rajman. How are ya? How are you? Thank you. Hi, beautiful young diva. Mystic Mirage. Hello, Mystic Mirage. Hello. Have a nice weekend. Warm greetings from Turkey. Thank you for watching from Turkey. Errol Kayar 29. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so those who hit the likes. Thank you. Love your post. Oh, thank you, Mystic. Thank you for the likes. I'm a sister, you're the star. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Mystic Mirage. Mystic Mirage. Hi, Amy. Amy, hello. Can you flex your arm muscle? Okay, if I flex my muscle, what should I see? Something like what the benefits if I flex my muscles? My God, NE1Q. Thank you, 18 people. Hello, Gladiatrix. Hello, how are you? I'm athletic girl from Spain. Oh, okay. That's good. You're athletic girl. Dahil athletic ka. Because you are an athletic girl. Because you are. I have a muscle. So that's why even I'm a teeny tiny, I have a muscle. Hello, Joey Posong Pinoy. Hi, Sir Joey Posong Pinoy. Why Posong Pinoy? Why? Where are you from? Are you a foreigner? Oh my God. No pole. Postal sign. I will never allow people like you here, trolls here. I'm staring. Yes, I am from the US. My wife is from Davao. Ah, okay, nice to meet you. Your wife is Visaya from Davao. Lots of foreigners finding their Filipina from Visaya, Davao, Cebu, Bohol, something like that. Lots of foreigners they will find from Visaya. Where are you from? Hi, Sir Joey Posong Pino. I'm from Bicol Province, Philippines. Married 25 years, together 28 years. Wow, that's good. I'm happy for you, both of you. Joey Posong Pinoy. Hello, Lucas Torres. Hi, Lucas Torres. Hello. Important people in the house. Hi. Lucas Torres 5080. Thank you, 16 people. Ay, sabi pa kaluway man tabi. Kurt! Kurt! Kaluway man. Hi, Sir Jeff. How are you? How are you, Sir Jeff? My God. Thank you so much. I'm sorry about the other day, tell Mike I'm sorry. No worries. No worries, Sir Jeff. It's fine. I'm good, felt too bad the other day. No worries. Calm down, relax. Mike, we talk about Mike about that. So no worries. No worries, Sir Jeff. Hi, Philippi Falcon. Hello. No worries po. Felt too bad the other day. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Almost to start to the stand. Thank you. So hit the likes. Sorry, just busy people. Yo. Hi, I'm from Chile. Nice to meet you, Felipe Falcon from Chile. Thank you so much. You're so beautiful and so hot. Oh my God, thank you. Thank you for watching. Nice lips. Nice lips.
Kasi,
Na.
let's eat na.
Oh, kadali man. Naimod ko pa lang kamo nagpe-prepare.
Makakaam ka pa ba sa sabaw? Sa tilapia?
Ay, sabaw.
Ang ano lang, di badi ko wala na kidaso.
Hindi ko na ito type. Kang kanayad to.
Mga lang. For me, for ano lang,
Ah.
for fun.
Just for fun.
Ay, ano no?
Parang ano, cheater just for fun. Benefits.
Diba na, taon.
Ba ito? The cheater quotes is just for fun. I don't like just for fun
Kasi ka, Brent, alaban mo.
because I'm too old. So I just want a serious. Just no need to fun for the right person, for the right place, something like that. Hi Raimondo Martins. Hello. I'm a sister, sister. Thank you, 13 people in the house. Thank you so much. Okay. Nagano ka mo doon? Bari nagkakaon ka mo doon sa taas. Sa'yo ka mo doon pagkakaon sa taas. Close your eyes. Wait, not close your eyes. Maybe close your eyes. Wrong spelling is wrong. Close your eyes, not close your eyes. Thank you so much. Thank you, cross them. I don't know. I can't. No. Oh my god, like hurts. Mr. Pat, like 32. Thank you so much. Like 32. Regards to you and Mike. Enjoy your weekend. Watch out for the bad weather coming, okay? Thank you, Mr. Pat. Thank you so much for joining. Dance again. Ralph Bell. Can I help you with that? No. Thank you, Mr. Pat. Pat. Mr. Pat. Thank you to those who sending heart. Hope you send the gift. Small stand USA. Small stand. You. Me? Hmm? Why me? What about me? What about me? You calm. You calm. I'm calm. What? I'm calm. Did you have a coke today? No coke today. No coke. Coffee. No coke, but had a coffee. I just like your post. Thank you. Thank you for like my post. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the likes. Black. Black. Yeah. I'm not a black, but dark color. Dark skin. Brown. Not dark. Not black. I'm a brown skin. Dark brown skin. Something like that. I'm not a black. Brown skin. Chocolate color. Morena. Morena Filipina. Thank you, 15 people in the house. Thank you so much. Hello. Hi, Mickey Stan. Hi, Mickey Stan. Hello. Mickey Stan, hello. Frank Mendoza, I don't have enough time to entertain you. Wrong channel you join. Maybe you need to go to another channel and they will entertain you. Hoy, mahulog ka mo doon. Formal. Shout out, hi. RMX Vlog. Shout out to you, RMX Vlog. RMX Vlog. Mega mega love shout out to you. Hi, hi. Gio, tama na yan. Card those. Pretty pretty, thank you. Kama na. Thank you, 25 people. Hi, series. Hi, Sarisa. Hi, Brain Cell Machine. I'm Serenity. Thank you sa nagsasandang heart. Thank you. Thank you for it. Looks like you're hosting a party. I'm hosting the party. It's a struggle for me to having a phone. Struggle for me to doing live because too much, too loud, noisy kids, people talking, playing music. My God. There are many people outside, lots of people outside and making a noise. Even the kids. Hey! Enjoy your time out there. Thank you, Solid Simon. Oh my God. Ay, sila nagpipiyos. Hay, paluwayan man yung kalay ba ko, hoy! Paluwayan. Sabi ko magpaluway. Hoy, 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 yada man lang ka mo doon. Hindi ka mo nagsuway doon. Barawdan ko ka mo. Dance again. Wow. Thank you so much. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang.
lang. Pulutan. Ano ako?
Thank you so likes. Yes. I need you more than I. Wait lang. Wait! Thank you. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Matapos kaila, pantawina, kana. May orak puno. Kala ka. Wala ka. Asan ka?
Thank you so much for watching. Hi, Jose. Hi, Enrica. Oh, look at those girls. Those girls. Nagkaon na ka mo, ano, Janet? Sorry, I'm sorry. Don't leave me. Come on, let's eat. We need to eat. Oh, thank you. Thank you for watching. Come on, let's eat rice with one fish. One card. Hello. What are you eating? I'm eating rice and fish. This is a fish and this is the rice, fried fish. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Sir Donnie, hello. Thank you for likes. Thank you for the likes. Everyone hit the likes. Thank you. Hi, Sir Donnie. Thank you for likes.
Bili na to. Pagkaan ka.
Ay, kaon na. Kain.
Ikaw na.
Ah, hindi ka nagaw.
Ito ka nilay.
Ah,
Ikaw na.
hmm.
Di na ikaw na.
Give me some food. Okay, come on.
Pagpinto ka nakakain.
Ah.
Kaya madami siyang alam.
Marami siyang nalalaman. Patahimikan na natin. Marami na siyang nalalaman. Marami na siyang nalalaman. Patahimikan na.
Madami siyang alam sa sabi.
Dito, sa kuan. Kasi yan dito. What are you having there? What are you having there?
Bawal pa naman dito.
Buso ay uwi, hindi rin dyan. Magsuro ka kaso. Suruk ay.
Ay, nakukot siya.
Puput yun. Puput sa bado.
Yan dali sa din.
Sari-sari pa na nilo ko kaya. Kao na. Di ko ara. Pag una, kung ano lang yun doon.
Dahil niya dapat.
Pinalaypay. Sabi ni Manay Linda, kung masumba ko sa aga, hapon na kita makaan. Makato na lang kita sa aga sa sulit. Kaya-out ko.
Mahanap ito boarding house niya.
Diri mo sa kita, kanagay dito gabi. May ano dito? Mainit mo dito ang park, ang museum. Makabot ka na dito sa museum. Maganda ka. Nakapot sa Kaya nga sabi ni Mike, oh my God, bakit? Kasi habo ko naman bra.
Nakikilit.
Pag naghahali baga ka, nagyo ka na kay pakipo ako niya.
Magirukon niya.
Magyukon. Aray. Pangano yun sa mga pampiki ng mga maliliit ang boobs.
Yan. Ang sinasabi na parang narinig ko sa
Para kunyari yung laylay na ang boobs. Kunyari virgin
sa
pa.
interview ni Joshua Garcia kay nagbabra si
Nagbabra pero may yan siya. Pading si Julia.
sabi niya nagbabra. Nahiya siya kay
Bakit naman sabi baga, bakit naman ako magbala ko? Wala naman paglagyan. Wala naman sasabitan. Wala naman makakapitan. Nice pair. Oh, thank you.
Nandiya di ho.
Sabi ko kaluganti yan. Kay pang anti-acid. Ito ganyan mo yan. Tapos hindi lang, may isa kulog sa ulo. Ito na magayon niya bang makulog sa ulo. Para kulugan ulo ko yung rode. Pero yung gusto ito, makatulog ka man talaga. Makatulog ka sa tapos mawawara ang kulog mo.
Kaya mo na urog si Rudy.
May nasakit ang ulo ko. Kainin ko, natulog siya sa ito. Kaya po kanina, relax pa man. Ano mo. At parang,
May undi ka bagasing sa may sabaw.
eh,
Si Ila sa tunay. Nag-abutan ama, ang darasan ama, ang ilang karne, tapos meron sa buyo. Sabi niya, bakit walang gulay? Sabi niya, sabi niya sa tama, may umbito sin nakakarati kanina ang kuwaan na na. Yung pinukulit talaga yung nila, pinagsataan naman talaga niya. Gusto talaga niya sabihan.
kasi niya sa,
Mati na sinabawan.
Gusto naman.
Okay, maalis ko. Ang gusto ko kasi makasim-asim. Parang ginaya niya lang yung hilit siya.
Oo, masarap mo ba ito?
Sila sa to nag-rate ko.
Haluin.
Maano na ba ang si Ila maano?
Nasaan sila?
Parang daog si Janet. Sino mga tanda sa amin?
Hindi.
Si Janet.
Ito na si Janet.
Parang wala pa siyang ano.
Kasi, pag sa pagpadako ng Panginoon,
Parang dili pa. Wala pang.
parang ano pa siya, isip bata pa.
Parang nakadepende pa siya sa ano. Si Ila, pagdating sa sa pagboto.
Kahit po ang paano sila paano nakaano na sa na nababalance na niya oras niya kaya naka-interact siya sa youth parang busy baga nagiging busy siya sa youth sa school, sa friends kung paano na niya kumbaga may responsibility na siya kung officer siya dun
Sabi ko,
good morning everyone from USA.
di ikaw magluluto. Oh, ikaw nagluluto. Opo, sino babakan? Si Papa. Sino nagluluto? Ako. Kasi, kaya man pag nababatid ko, para nag-aan talaga sa sanggulay. Kasi gusto niya may
Aram na pa naman aram mo si mami kanita paano dahil ito ka sabi ko gali siya wala siya sa biling pagkaon kaya malis ko ng bata porque mo sibuyas po
nagkakot si Janet na.
okay
Nagkakot ang nanay ko nagkaon.
oh my god bakit di ko siya naimo doon
Excited sa dahon na inan.
Thank you for watching. Thank you so. Oh my God, why I'm like. Someone influence you to hit me, something like that. Oh my God. Use your head. Dar! Thank you for lurking. Hi, Sir James. Hello. How are you doing, young lady? Fine. Anu. Anu Alves. I'm fine, Sir James. How about you? Excuse me. How is the family? The family is good, happy family here. Is still happy family. Thank you so likes. Nice legs. Oh my God, thank you. Good to hear. Yes. Thank you, Sir James.
Oh, tapos na naman magugas?
Kasi, ay, Ate Men, hinihiram yung gusto ko niya. Hiniriwan, hiniriwan. Hiniriwan, hindi ko natulog.
Hi, Sir Ben. How are you? Sir Ben. Jane Parker. Very pretty. Thank you, Sir Jane. I'm fine there, just wake up. Okay. Have a nice day, Sir Ben. I'm fine. Sorry.
Hindi mo una to sa sagon.
Doon mo dito ang sir, so kaya bagay yun, ang Kapitolyo, ano. Nakatubit na sa 1,000 doses. Kasiguran.
Kasiguran. Ang sinasabi namin kasiguran, di ba yan?
Hindi. Santa Magdalena yan.
Ay, Santa Magdalena pala.
Thank you, dear. No, welcome. Matcha is missing on pork. No, no pork. Fish. The fish. May ano pa kung kanisa. Katapaka.
Ha?
Kakaon. Kain tapos siya ito na. Inihinok ni. Kaya sa lunes pa sa ang deadline. Kahapon pa sa deadline. Maghatag sa palugit. Thank you, Sir Ben.
Sir, right?
Ben. Ben Her. The Burgas. Thank you, Sir Ben. Double tap on screen to like, comment, subscribe, support and share this channel. You're welcome, Sir Ben.
Ako sa dulo ko na malata.
Ayan.
Maghugas ka mo. Naghugas si Dokta kasi
Sorry.
si Torre.
Sikat mo yung batik mo. Sa ako lang siya maano.
Sabi, maghugas ka mo ha. Tapos, yun na. Sabi ni Bella, kaya ano, kaya sigurado na inalawan niyo, madali o na. Sabi ni Gab.
Pag pinadali lang ha, minadjik ka. Have a nice night. Behave yourself. Yes po.
Kaya may mga kadang mga bata.
Pero pag sa ako, naghansuan update.
O, dati po, man, si ano talaga, si Ray. Ay,
Renz, si Lawrence,
Si Lawrence.
si Torin.
ayun talagang ano siya.
Okay, may ko na lang.
Madali. Ay, parang ipansin mo sa parang nagbiada sa ama.
Okay. Ano, kaya siya inaan. Pagbagraan siya. Parang nainig siya, galit siya.
Inaano ko talaga sabi ko ba? Sabi ko, okay, ayaw mo. Sabi ko, kanino ka nagpapagalit sa amin? Kanino?
Kaya sabihan ko sa manitang, okay, dapat, sabi ko, dapat tiri mo, ahilaan na ganyan niya. Dapat, ikaw mamagitan ka.
May nakuha naman ako na chismis mo ko na. Kaya kakalit na.
Yan.
Binarangay na si Leonel dito sa binarangay niya namin si Tundo. Balik naman, nandirit na siya. Ang ata ini ano ni sa ilagos.
Dari ka muna maghali. Wait. Gasang ko. Wait lang, wait. Naubos na ako. Makali ka na. Yung mamaymod ka. Wait.
Janet, sali ka na dyan. Oh. Oh, napakarin. Oy, ano? Sino ka rin ka? Magpadirin lang din eh. Nag-uuran. Paano ka na? May naman diya. Baka ako maili.
Thank you.
Oh, hindi ka na. Game. Ano ka din la? Nagtitinip ko nakakalimpuran ka. Tapos nasirang biro mo. Kasi may pangluhod-luhod ka, di ba?
Nakakalawa na pangguran. Naluhod pala, nagsarayo na. Pag-ahon nila, tapos na.
Babakal lang ako. Kuhaan ko na ang cellphone ko.
Okay, kuha mo ng cellphone mo.
Hoy, an oral, magkariling turang ka mo.
Ayong kaya.
Nakiano na ito.
Ako, maka-English mo. Ah, never.
Oh, makapaka dito.
Very nice girl. Thank you.
Bakit sila yada? Mga SM.
Okay.
Bakit speaker yung dalang nila?
Maki-emot.
Nagtitinik!
pa mag-senior. Ay, bata ka pa pala, underage. Kaya. Your arms are pretty. Do you have bicep? Do you want? I carry a lot of, I carry wrong your people, so that's why I have something like that. Thank you so much. Hi, guys! Hello, guys! Me, you. Good morning, beautiful. Hi, guys. Thank you, guys. It's double tap the screen. Thank you. You are. For the bicycle with full power. Thank you so much for watching. Rizan, Elton.
Yada, nagpa-practice. Yada si Ina. Ha?
Ha?
Dili ka nga halata na.
Baka kumakasali ko kung mga mata.
Mas magayon ako sa kanila. Bawal ang baka malaman naman sila. Respect na lang. Ha! Maano ka na?
Sabi ba, ka na.
Can you care, girl?
Yung hilagan ulo.
Naka-step net, baka di na bumalik, makulog.
Di man ang tula-tula.
Hi, little one. Come, guys. You can handle your own. Thank you, guys. You are looking strong. Can you carry a guy? Yes. I carry a guy, but a wrong guy before. But now I found a good guy. Hey, guys.
May Erson na kamot. May Erson. May Erson. Pagkunin na ba? May Erson.
Diba na pag tuminan nila gano'n?
Napagod na ako.
Ay, sa amo, bilang ko si ma'am, sa school, lagyan natin ng ID. Para kakaiba naman tayo. Para tayo sa sa school.
Kuya, partner mo si tita mo siya.
Basta tayo na.
Si Kayla din oh.
Sina?
Ah,
Aso na yan?
daw na may pink tapos puti yung bago.
Na may pusang baso.
Hindi ko yung sa pink dati sa elementary
Ang
ka.
lalaki ka, karaw-karaw lang.
Ang lalaki pa rin, baka
Oh, natural sa amo no.
Sige na, kuya.
try. Let me show you around.
Karaw-karaw lang.
Di mo na nasabot? Pag mamaya, di mo na nasabot. Siguro yung gulo.
Hindi, kaya mo na. Partner mo si Risa, sabi pa naman ni Risa, ano kaya ate ko, sigurado na si Bibi kay sa itin, kailangan kasama rin mo ang partner na mo.
Sana?
Sa itin.
18 months.
Sabi ni Gila, nakrak.
May ano? Sabi? Ano palang ba niyan?
Kaya ang sabi, kailangan kasama na ang partner sa itin.
Kapag direct, eliminated na.
Wala ang partner siya.
Ayaw ko na isang elementary. Yung may papatutog doon na nandun mo.
Kaya na po
Beer Plaza.
Mas magaling pagyapon ng pagpamilya sa data. Very natural pero
May pagpinina ko ako sa iyo.
mayroon sila.
Bawat sa bagaho, kaya na yung isang.
Tigwag ipadagos tanan. Bulan na maliwanagon. Thank you. 65 likes. Ang bulan na maliwanagon.
Tiinit kita tubig mo.
I'm alright, I'm alright. Init tubig. Ay, dito nag-init.
Bus ng gasol daw.
Ay, ubos na. Oh my God. Please show me. Carry a guy. No guy here. Oh. No one can touch my bicep except my mic. On the left,
Dito tayo. Ayun na.
follow me, darling. Just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found beautiful and sweet. I never know you were someone waiting for me. It just gets me feeling like fighting against. I want survivor. Hey you. Hey you. Show me yourself out for a longer time, 30 seconds.
Ako bahala sa bata. Ay, paano ba naman? May balon sa ako. Di ako eh. Di ba dito sa ako? Okay na na. Tapos, araw ko natin.
I need somebody who can love me at my worst. Please, friend. Okay, I will show the 30 seconds. If you send a super chat, maybe $100. Love me on my words.
Gabriela, amuta.
Ano yan?
Tama na yan.
Last time.
Sausaw ko lang sa salog. Ay, sa sapa.
Thank you, 65 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for people watching. 5 people watching. Thanks a lot. I am a girl. Okay. Okay, no problem. If you're a girl, that's good. I like. I want like your buttons to get idea. Huh? To get idea. You know what? To get that idea, you need to exercise. Maybe you need to find the gym. Search the gym. How to get the bicep idea. Something that you need to say something like that. You will look. Hi Blaze, Iki Blaze. One more time. Okay, only one time. Thank you, 10 people. You are literally looking beautiful. Thank you so much. Ike Blaze. Ike Blaze. Where from? Thank you for the good compliments. Ta-da-da-dun, ta-da-da-dun, chuling. Alaska, USA. Thank you for watching. Alaska, USA, very cold. Oh my god, too much cold there. Rare. Very cold. Too much cold weather. That is Alaska. Turkey, hey from Turkey. Ahmed is Sandal. I'm Sandal from Turkey. Hello, Turkey. Excuse me? Oh my god. Sorry.
Ano bahala sa iyo?
It's not that cold. Huh? It's not that cold. What do you mean? It's 66 degrees. When cold, when the winter season, Alaska is super cold, but maybe now it's like a 66 degrees. And what? 66 degrees and it's still cold. Thank you, 12 people. Thank you. I'm single, are you? I'm not single. I'm getting married soon. I'm engaged. Thank you for likes. Alfredo. Hello. Hello. Where are you from, Alfredo? Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Daniel from France. Daniel Bisset from France. France is good. Romantic place, they said. Romantic. The Paris Tower. Paris. Just my luck. Just my luck. Thank you so much for the likes. Hello, how are you? Santa Rosa de Lima, my friend from Colombia, Marco. Daniel. Could you possible help? Oh no, I'm not helping you. Sorry. Maybe you go to another channel and they will help you, Michael. Michael Ladwell. Not me. Ew. Yuck. Okay. Maybe someone helping you, something like that. The cheater, maybe he will help. It will help you. Just like having an agreement, even if they are in a relationship, they will grab it. As long as they can take the benefits from you, they will grab that. They will agree because lots of a lot of cheaters nowadays, even if they are unmarried in a relationship, they will pretend that they are honest and loyal, but they are cheater, a liar, a fake people. Oh my god. And scammers. Ew. Users, lots of users nowadays, my god. The most user they are most if they get the benefits from the person, they don't care if they are getting hurt that person because of the benefits. But after that, they will leave and they don't care. And then they flip the story that they are cheated not well, so that's why they something do it like that. Oh my god, that's a very red flag. Good evening, you're so cute watching from Japan. Hi, Moko-chan channel. Thank you for watching. Machukan. Anita, beautiful Anita Blackmore. Thank you so much. Anita Blackmore, thank you so much for watching. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you, 21 people in the house. You're beautiful. And Maria Pan. Dress so far. Oh, thank you. Like, okay. Thank you sa likes. A small papaya, darling, yes. What about the small? Are you problem having a small, something like that? Maria Pan. Are you having a very small size? Yeah, it's a very small size. Actually, it's a flex. So, have a problem with that? Sheryl. Anita Blackmore. Beautiful Anita. Hi, I'm from Tampa Bay, Florida. Sir Tony from Florida. Hi, beautiful Anita. Need to pillow. No need pillow same. No need. Wow. When is your marriage? The marriage is next year. Hey Tar. I just subscribed to you. Thank you, Sir Tony, for subscribing my channel. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate. Now, how old? 45. How about you, Maria? Maria Pan. How about you? Welcome, Tony. Thank you, Anita. Miss Beautiful Anita. Superman, I will go to your fiancé country to marry or live in the Philippines only. Will you go? I will go to my fiancé country and visit there, but preparing living here in the Philippines because living over there in this country is super cold. So I'm dying on super cold, so that's why. Anita, where are you from? From Maria Pan. Hey, sure. Are you Uzbek? No, I'm not Uzbek. I'm a Filipina. Bicolana. I will put water in your... Oh, no. Rolly Timenya, hi, Australia, I am from, beautiful Anita from Australia, thank you Anita, beautiful, hello Sir James, hello, Apita. Wow, Australia. Bakit? Why? Where are you from, Maria? How cold is it in this country? Super cold. Where are you, Tagalog? I'm Filipina. Tagalog ako. Filipina ako. Rolly. Anita, you are India. Huh? Anita is an Indian. She's an Indian. I think she's not an Indian. I think. But whatever she is, she's still beautiful. Pretty Anita. Without clothes, no. No, my name is Italian. Actually, in India, my name is Popular. Ah, okay. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. See you, Pop. Hey, see you, Pop. Thank you, Sheryl. Thank you also, beautiful Anita. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, I sure do like Italian wine. I love my love, Mike. He's an American. I like Italian people. Sure, yeah, I think your name is Angel. Huh. Thank you so likes. Yeah, but I'm half Italian and born in Australia. Wow, beautiful Anita. Oh, one day we met. Yeah, I hope one day. I hope. How I wish. Maria, okay. From Maria. Rasam, you have need to go to visit that website because here is not the something like that. My God, maybe you go to the do live streaming and they will show you. You will see what you want to see, but not here. Oh my God, not me. Anita, you know work. So I'm from Philippines, from Abra. Nice to meet you, Sir Rolly, from Abra, Philippines. Yes, Marian Khan. Maria Khan, why? Yes. Beautiful Anita, she's working. Good love. Nothing. Can you speaking Tagalog, please? Ano ba? Yung comment mo ba is Juan? Tagalog. Anong Tagalog? Nice. Nagsasalita ako ng Tagalog kaso nga lang, siyempre, yung mga nandito ay English. Kaya nagsalita ako ng English. Kaya ganun. If Tagalog naman yung dito Tagalog din naman ang salita ko. Parang tanga naman na comment dito English. Tapos sagot ko Tagalog. Oh my God. India. Maria Pan from India. Oh my God. Nice to meet you too, Maria Pan from Anita Blackmore. From beautiful Anita. How old Anita? She's young. Anita, she's a young woman. I think she's 30 something. I don't know. I think. Thanks, Anita, from Marian. Oh my god. I'm going to Chandigarh next year for a wedding. You're going here for a wedding next year? Oh my god, thank you. Miss Beautiful Anita, are you sure? You going here? Maybe I misunderstand something like that. Wedding. Who wedding, Anita? My daughter married Indian man here and his family putting wedding on it. Ah, okay. I thought you going here, my wedding. Oh my god. Oh, sorry, Anita. Oh my god. My mistakes. I thought you going here, my wedding. Me and Mike are wedding, something like that. Oh my god. It's okay, Cheryl. How old are you? 45. Oh my god, your daughter marriage. Yeah. My beautiful Anita. Her daughter Marian. Angel. Oh! Oh my god, how old are you? Beautiful Anita. Oh my god, I thought you're young. What part India you from, Maripan? 45 ka na po. Yes. 45 na. Matanda na. Thunders na. Malapit na mag-expire. My god. Malapit na magkuha. 50, Cheryl. Oh my god, I thought you're young. Oh my god. Kerala. I'm old. I'm 50 is not old. Not yet senior citizen. 50 is not old. Me, oh my god, I'm close to 50 years old. Oh my god. Hi, 19 people in the house. Thank you so much. Like after 19. Thank you, 10 people. Bye-bye. Bye, Rolly. Thank you for joining. You don't look it's either. Oh, thank you. Thank you, beautiful Anita. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Jesus. No religion. Bye, Rolly from beautiful Anita. Thank you so much. What Anita from Marian Pan. Oh my god. Oh, may gulay. I'm 50. Hey, Sir Thomas Hernan. You're 50? Oh, you're still young. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Bad. That's a bad. Okay, can you kiss me? Come on, nakita mo. Ito, ang ganda talaga ng aking baby. Marian Pan, I said, Cheryl, don't look 45. Ah, thank you, ma. Beautiful. Anita, thank you so much. Hey, Thomas. Anita, 50 na old. Yeah, not yet old. 50 is not yet old. Still young. Me, oh my god, I'm close to 50 years old. Oh my gulay. Thank you, Maria Pan. Danny Champagne. Hi, Sir Danny. I'm from SG. What means SG? What SG means? Excuse me. Ah. From SG, what SG means? What is G? Singapore. Oh my God. Now I know. SG means is Singapore. My God. SG is Singapore. My gulay. Now I know.
Yan na kuya ko.
I'm sorry.
Kuya ko.
GTG, Gerald, much love, pretty Anita, much love, beautiful Anita, thank you so much. So what's tonight, Mino, for weekends? I don't know. I really want you, my love. Ah, Julio. Many blessings, Marian Khan from Manita. Thanks. More blessings to come. God bless you. Food, outing, club, party. Uh, Working. Weekend working. Still working. Oh my God, tomorrow I'm still working. My God. It's the truth, my love. Oh. Thank you, 13 people. Oh, that's sad. Sometimes need to have some fun for weekends. Well, never mind. Yes, but have to work. Need to work. Need to work. Something like that.
Mama, wala nag-chan.
Okay. No worries.
No problem.
No problem.
The help.
Can I tell you? Parang hindi mo mababa. Ayun kasi si Mama Ina.
Ah, sorry sa.
Mga babies. Thank you, Baba Gab. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Oh, kinagata na. Thank you sa likes. Thank you sa sending the Lord, the heart. Thank you so much. Working to can get parties with colleges while working. No time for parties because you spend money. No money. Hello, my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. Masabi si Mike. Oh, at least you relaxing. Hello, I'm from Indonesia. Hi Simon, Larang Suka from Indonesia. What should I do? Erwan Gonzalez. Where are you from? From Philippines.
Wala ka po.
From Philippines. Hi, do you know Christine Joyce de la Cruz? Why? What about Christine Joy de la Cruz? What about here? Hi, Blessed Anita, Argentina. Oh wow, from Argentina. Shout out from Argentina, from Philippines. She chat you, that's my wife. Ah, okay. Hey, Kristen, for your wife. Chatting me here on the live. Where Anita? Maybe Anita, she's working, something like that. Rest. Kristen Joy de la Cruz. Yeah, where's siya no? She coming here on the live. She chat here on the live, but I can't. What you said? That's my wife. Okay. She chat me. No, Christine de la Cruz here on the live. So maybe a wrong channel is joined. She is sleeping. Oh, how she chat if she is sleeping? Oh my God. Do you speak Spanish? No, I'm not speak Spanish. How she chat with me here on the live if she's sleeping? Oh my God. Mustafa Park. Hello.
Ay, duwa-duwa lang. Duwa lang pala ginawa ko.
I will speak Philippines. You will speak Philippines. Maybe you are a Filipino. You tell a lie. I hate liars. I hate fake people. I hate cheaters, fake people, something like that. Beautiful girl. Thank you, Mustafa Thorpe. A lot of fake people nowadays. They pretend they are good, smiling at you, talking to you nice, but they have an agenda behind your back. They have a bad agenda behind your back, something like that. Ew, lots. My wife chatted with you earlier, that was a while ago. Huh? Really? Hello, my sister. Hi, sweetheart. Good condition. I'm fine, Mustafa. Thank you to those who hit the likes. Thank you so much. Maybe, I don't know if I don't remember. Maybe I don't recognize her because a lot of people joining here on the live. So maybe say hi to your wife. Just enjoy the videos. Thank you so much.
Nagana ako.
Oh my God, are you? Oh my God, why you see that you say your wife is sleeping and you said you love me too? Oh, what the fuck? I don't like that people like that. You're not a good man. You're not a loyal, my gulay. Where I'm from Philippines, Mustafa. Hello, I like your video. Thank you for like the video. Thank you so much. I idolize you. Really? You idolize me? Thank you for idolizing me. Jose, stop. I don't like cheating. Yuck. Ew. RMX vlog. Hello.
Sino ang gana? Ikaw na. Ikaw na, ugang. Tira na.
Thank you for teaching me how to feel. Burning in my emotions.
Hindi ako matulog. Baya ka nito. Anto, dali na, Anto. Yo, Anto. Ayun na. Ako nag-ready na.
Libot lang.
Anyway, how old are you? 45 years old.
Di ba yung bubutang ang tubig?
45!
Bubutang ang
What is your name? My name is Sheryl.
Ikaw na. Iyo, iyo. Ito naman natin.
Saka matulad.
Wait lang. Wait a minute. Wait.
Ayun naman ang upat. Pwede yun?
Ang ating ina.
Hindi ka?
Di ba pwede tayo? Puno na ng kamay ko. Ready na. Ako yun na.
Ha?
Anto.
Nana?
Ikaw na. Giyo.
Paputan.
Giyo.
Paputan! Balik kita niya yun.
Anto. Uy.
Oh, paldo! 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 Bingbingan ko.
Ulo lang niya. Ba?
Kaya ka,
Hindi na mabisit ka. Bilang ako, dyan si Anto. Kaya ikaw di pa man nakadara. Dan ko, kaya? Ayan na ka ba, Lima? Dapat mo niya. Go! Parang ka, ikaw naman nag-pizza. Di ako ikaw. Wala? Kung ganyan, di pa nakadara. Ako.
Thank you. The Pantomima dance. My God.
Ay,
What is... Hey! Romania. Romania. Like, unlike, like, unlike, like. Sige, salamat. Like, unlike. What do you want? If you're playing yourself, antok na yan. Thank you. Oh my God. Another one like. Thank you so likes. Thank you so much for watching. Oh my God. I can't believe my live is more than 2 hours. Like Dan po, good evening. Thank you for the likes. Selena, Dudishika, Rosemary. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Rosemary. Thank you for watching. Where are you from, Rosemary? Hello, how are you today? I'm fine, Randy Fisher. Hi, Rosemary. Beautiful, Rosemary. Thank you.
nakaipusan mo.
Dito sa bed.
Bakit magkasiya?
Oh my God! Where are you from, sis? I'm from Philippines. How about you, Rosemary? Where are you from?
Kaya,
Sige pa. Thank you 13 people. Thank you.
ay muna yan. Dami pa kasi
Hi, where are you from? Rosematch, where are you from? Hi, I'm Edward. Hi, Edward. Rosematch, where are you from? Sige pa.
Oh, wait lang.
Back.
Ay, kasi.
Edward Dizan.
Namuha ka ka. Namuha ka pa.
Sige pa.
Kinapalato ko.
I'm Gapan City, Nueva Ecija. Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you.
gamitin mo.
Thank you for likes. Thank you sa nag-hit sa likes. Thank you for watching. Sige pa.
Power off mo na yan.
Thank you sa nag-larking.
Ako na, ipower off ako.
Nag-larking dyan. How old are you? I'm 45 years old.
Ganun ka naman ako. Charger mo. Ako mahali. Ano lang ko no? Hindi ako, sige.
How about, thank you 25 people. I still single? No, I'm not single. I'm engaged. I'm getting married soon, pretty soon.
Kuya, nalianan mo. Kunagiyo. Hindi man nagaling ka.
Thank you 22 people. Hi, 28 people in the house. Where you from? I'm from again Philippines. Adizio.
Sino mabisa, sino matundo? Ako. Ako.
good morning. So, this is Brazil 9 for sending a hug to Balok. What is Balok? What is Balok? Wala kita sing gasol sa aga na kay mabagay pa kita gasol.
Oo nga,
May ano ka mo gasol? Ha? May gasol ka mo? Papaluto ka dito sa iyo, mais. Sa kaldero na dapat balik. My sister is a virgin. Oh my God, no need to say that, Edward. I don't like that. I hate like that. No need to say that if your sister is something like that. You need to protect your sister if you are a real brother. My God, not like that. I don't like that. I don't like attitude like that. Most you are a man. Man is protect the woman. So if you are disrespecting man, it's a red flag. It's a red flag. Ha? Ano? Dagan nyo na maiso, kulang yun doon. Sa dako kung pakwa naman iso doon.
Bigay ka lang mo.
Oo, busa na yan, kaya kulang yun na sa'yo. Todo na yan. Hay! Uy! Gab! Gabriel, wapilayan ka mo, Gab! Alice Santanan. Too loud. Excuse me.
Hoy! Ay, ang paha ko, Rhea. Ay, mo yung paha ko.
Thank you sa nagla-like.
Yung mga punong. Maripo ka mo.
The pit boobs. Don't worry, it's a pit boobs. Just I cover my crown.
Naikunang ka mo to. Ba? Doon. Subay down.
Oh my God, finally I found you back, gosh. Huh? Oh my God. There's
Baka nakakalimutan mo. Sigaw niyo.
Oh, she's sitting with having flocka. Flocka. Ano na? Wait lang.
Ma, tapos na. Wait. Urudong pa yung kudarap sa mga na. Ano daw ang digit ko? Mama,
Ano ba yung ganyan?
Gorgeous!
Hoy, kanina pa kami sa wala ka pa nakate.
Wala, di nagagana pa. Di nagagana. Ayan,
Suro mo na naman. Nangingirit na naman yung suro mo.
BAM! Kickboxing. Ayan din. Ayan din bago.
Hoy! Pukan!
Lipat ka ka? Lipat ka ka? 22 sa ito
Mac Simple Sip. With what?
Ayan din. ID or nothing.
Wait lang.